The first beta of Android 14 is finally here, and with it comes a bunch of big and important changes that will help it destroy competition. So without further ado, let's check out some of these features. First, let's talk about battery life. Android 14 has been optimized to make sure that the system doesn't take as much power as it did before in previous versions of Android. Not to mention, the battery tab in settings has been updated to be more streamlined and easier to understand. They've also brought back the screen on time metric. Not to mention, Battery Saver has been updated to include both normal and extreme battery life savers in the same tab. Not to mention, it now allows you to schedule when the battery saver should turn on and turn it off when the battery reaches 90%. Second, Google has added a bloatware tab, which was spotted by Mishal Rahman. The tab is called Apps Installed in the Background, and it's supposed to list apps installed by your device manufacturer and or carrier which can be uninstalled without loss of Android's normal functionality. Third, a lot of Android skins allowed you to have two instances of the same app, aka cloned apps. Well, this is finally coming in stock Android, and they will finally allow you to clone the app so you could have two accounts of the same application or whatever you want to have in it. No need for work profiles or any third-party apps. Fourth, Google is taking a page from Apple and is finally adding the app Select Photos to Apps feature, which allows you to select which photos an app can access, which gives you more peace of mind about your privacy. Finally, a couple of minor features. Google has finally added a predictive back gesture, which allows you to see where you're gonna go when you do the back gesture, so you don't accidentally leave and exit an app or something like that. They have also allowed you to scale the phone screen size up to 200%, which is very useful for elders or people who don't see that well, see their phone screens that well. You will also soon have the option to allow the phone to select which SIM card should have the mobile data on, based on which SIM card has better connectivity. And also, which is a pretty cool feature, also taken from Apple's book, is a convert to eSIM feature, which allows you to convert to eSIM from your phone without the need of going through websites or stuff like that. Now, of course, we expect more features to come from Android 14 as it goes through the beta cycle, so don't lose hope if some of the features that I've told you about don't appeal to you. And comment down below what you think of this Android 14 beta. And subscribe, and I'll see you next time.